Hello and welcome to this short instructional video on the use of the TGA. This machine is a TGA Q5000. Along with that, there are three main components: the TGA heat exchanger, the furnace and the auto sampler. This is connected to a computer and the computer runs the software that runs the machine. The first step is to tare the pan. To do this, we hover over the weight icon, click the icon and select the amount of pans that need tared. Once these have been selected, we can hit the tare button. It's important to ensure that the pan is in the correct position for that one that is tared on the software. Once the sample has been tared in the TGA, it can be brought to the press. Unlike the DSC, the TGA requires two presses, number 1 and number 2. There are also two parts of the pan, a cup and a lid. Another difference from the DSC is that the cup and lid sit with their outermost edges facing away from each other. Once both parts of the pan have been placed together, they can be put in the sample holder. Press 1 can be inserted into the die 1 can be inserted into the press, and the sample can be placed in. The sample is then pressed, removed, and the second die is inserted. And once again it's pressed. The sample can then be removed and placed back in the TGA. Ensuring the sample has been placed back in the correct position in the auto sampler, we then move to the software. The software will ask for a sample name, a pan type, pan position and a data file name. Ensuring these are correct, we move to procedure. Important for TGA are the ramp rate, the final temperature and the isothermal time. These can all be altered in the editor. Also, it is important to note that balance purge flow and sample purge flow are shown on the screen. For TGA, we require a dry nitrogen source which has a flow rate of 25 mils per minute. If this is shown, then we can press play on the sample. The sample will initially be broken open. And then placed in the furnace. Once in the furnace, the sample will heat up and the decomposition will occur. By selecting the TG icon and hovering the crosshair over the start of the decomposition, right hand click and hit accept limits. This will then give us the onset temperature of the decomposition, the final temperature of the decomposition, the percentage mass loss and the actual mass loss.